Hi friends, welcome to the world of Java. You must be wondering, what is Java, what is it used for, and how it works. In this video, we'll find all the answers. Java is one of many programming languages like C, C++, Python, Ruby on Rails, etc. available in market. It is an object-oriented language and computing platform. It is used for developing a wide range of applications like web applications, mobile applications, and cross-platform applications, and a lot of networking applications. Now the question is, what are you supposed to do in Java? So, you will be creating all these cool applications using Java. How will you do it? Basically, you will create a source code file with .java extension and compile it using JavaC compiler to generate a compiled bytecode. The JVM will run the bytecode in OS, and since JVM is available in different operating systems, same .class file could be run in different operating systems easily. Let's simplify this. You will simply tell the machine what to do using Java language, which it will translate in machine understandable bytecode and tell the machines what to do and perform the desired action. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe on our channel. Thank you.